Hello. I'd like to just talk a little bit about CV Tech and the Auto Collision Repair Program. CV Tech as an organization is an outstanding opportunity. It gives an outstanding opportunity for high school students in our area to train and perfect skills that are used in the workplace. With the area here, with all of the transportation industry that's gone so big with Bombardier, with Nova Bus, and all of the things that go along with it, that's providing a lot of opportunities for students to train and to basically be able to go into a nice, secure, high-paying job in the manufacturing industry. Training to work in the collision repair field. That could include a dealership. It could include a small independent shop. And there's many opportunities in the area for that. In collision repair, we really touch on a lot of different things, and the things that we would touch on that pertain to a lot of different trades would be obviously light mechanical work. Cars that are involved in an accident usually have some type of mechanical damage, so we're having to repair that. The welding, we do welding and we do fabricating, which really is a transferable skill that could go to many of the manufacturers in the area, along with your conventional body and paint repair. Our shop is set up in a sense that it pretty much emulates a repair facility that you would find in the area. We have a frame machine, we have many lifts, we have welding equipment, fabricating equipment, a downdraft spray booth with the bait capability, and we're using really the most modern, up-to-date refinishing supplies from PPG that include waterborne paint. Those skills in itself that you could get there are, like I say, very transferable. It could be a shop. And some of the things that you would learn and do there would be different job targets or different job titles, which could include being a detailer, a technician assistant, a painter's helper, a painter, the welding and fabrication part of it, all of those. We have articulation agreements with other schools like Lincoln Tech, like UTI, SUNY Canton, so you could have some transferable credits from CV Tech there. Employment opportunities, like I said before, they were pretty abundant in the North Country. There's many opportunities, and those are high-paying jobs for kids that get out of here. Some of the skills that we have are the certifications. We do the National Work Readiness Test, or the credential for that. Also SP2, which is a collision supplement to safety. And we also do OSHA 10 training. So that's all included, and those are different certifications that you could get. So overall, I think that CV Tech as a whole, we have something for everyone here, whether it's construction trades, whether it's any of the automotive fields, welding, conservation. We have a lot to offer here, and it would be great for somebody to take a look at us and see what we have.
Hey, so I'm in auto collision program at CV Tech. I enjoy the program very much. I find it very beneficial. I love working on cars and doing body work, so this is a great program for me. I would highly recommend it if that's what you enjoy doing, because you learn a lot in this program, being able to work on all sorts of different things. I not only get to paint cars, but I get classic machinery that comes in, like an iron lung that you don't get to see every day, and you get to work on, paint, restore. It's cool not only work on the newer type of cars, but also the older stuff, and teach you things that used to go on. I would recommend joining the program because you're always able to learn something new in this program, and it's not only painting cars, you also learn the auto mechanic part of it, and working on the engine part too. My favorite memory of working on stuff here so far, what I enjoy most, is being able to work on the old Camaro we have here, and being able to do all the body work and restoring it back to its original pristine shape that it used to be back in 1969.